think this is the first time this year that I've commuted to work on the bike, which is pretty sad. But the weather, it's about 40, it's in the low 40s this morning. I'm not sure exactly what it is. The bike says it's 41, so we'll go with that. And yeah, it's calling for some rain the rest of the week, so I thought I'd go ahead and ride today and save a little bit of money on fuel like everybody else is trying to do these days. But it is fun riding the bike to work, although I don't have overpants anymore. I sold them to another motorcyclist, and I'm wearing my Klim Badlands Pro, and they're not overpants, so I have to take my pants, a pair of pants in my backpack, and have to completely change when I get to work. And the previous years I had some overpants, and what I would do with those was, you know, put them on over my pants and get to work and just take the overpants off when I'm ready and put on some different shoes. But we'll see how this works out. Doesn't matter. I have a private office, so I can, you know, shut the door, close the blinds, all that good stuff. But, you know, it's just, I guess it's just pure laziness of having to put all this on in the mornings and then getting to work and have to strip down, and then at the end of the day have to put it all back on. But I think it might be 69 or 70 degrees this afternoon, so I may not have to wear these pants, even though I'll be squidding it wearing my jeans. I think I'll be okay. It's just that time of year where the transition of the weather is still cold in the morning and warms up by afternoon, so you got to wear cold weather gear and temperate weather gear, you know what I mean? Saw that Randy's Rides got out on his Daymark, is it a Daymac motorcycle the other day. The ice and snow around his house was clear enough that he could get the bike out on the road, although it was a slalom course from what the video depicted. I'll link it in the description. And the potholes where he lives are unreal. It's just unreal. I really don't have a topic today. I just thought I'd turn the camera on and see what was going on. But you know, I'm in Virginia, in the United States, and like I said, the weather's going to be 70 degrees today. It's 41 right now, and it's getting to that time of year where we're going to be out and about and not cooped up inside. So my plans this year are to do as much outdoor activities as possible. Of course, we are going to do the Maryland section of the Appalachian Trail. We wanted to do it in April. It's just still a possibility, but within the next 2 months we will be doing those 40 miles in Maryland on the Appalachian Trail. It's the easy part of the trail. It's fairly flat, and we're going to probably take 4 days or 5 days. We're going to take our time. We're not out there to set any land speed records. We just like being outside and on the trail, and we enjoy that time as much as we do getting to a destination. And so probably do some video, take some pictures, and we just enjoy being out there, so we're not going to rush it. So maybe 4 or 5 days, I don't know. It depends on how we feel. We've got a pretty good hiking pace without backpacks on, I'll tell you that. So with them, it's hard to say, but we don't walk slow, but we don't walk fast either. So, and there will be more camping this year. Hopefully some more motorcycle camping. We went to the Flight 93 Memorial Sunday. We had some business to take care of up in that area, and it was cold, damp, and windy, so I really didn't get any video footage of it. But if you haven't been there, I recommend you going there and taking a peek at it. It's really a well done memorial there, and I haven't been to any of the other ones, but this one is really put together well. And I plan to, since it is a national memorial, I do plan on visiting that on motorcycle at some point. It's in a nice little town. We ate at the it's called the Lincoln, a little diner there in shoot, I can't remember the name of the town. It's not Summersby, it's well, doesn't matter. Y'all go check out Flight 93 Memorial if you're ever up in that area of Pennsylvania. Highly recommend it. And I'll be back on a motorcycle, and there will be a video, of course. What else is going on in my world? nothing else. I hope I can get the kayak out this year too. There's I came home from being out of town yesterday, yesterday. I noticed my neighbors have their kayaks sitting out behind where his truck was normally parked, and I'm like, oh, either they got out this weekend or they're going to be getting out. So it kind of gave me the itch to want to go do some fishing. So anyway, that's my plan. Spend as much time outdoors as possible this year. And yeah, share in the comments what your plans are. Any plans? Motorcycle trips, camping trips, hiking trips, vacation, family vacation trips planned, since a lot of the mask mandates are being lifted. I noticed another Randy's Ride just put out a video this morning where he burned his face diaper, is so he called it. They're lifting the mask mandates there, and he was so happy he set his old mask afire and burned it up right there on camera. It's pretty funny. So yeah, leave a comment in the description if you're going to be somewhere, or if you plan on visiting any national parks, or if you plan on doing any riding or hiking or camping anywhere in Virginia or my area. Give me a shout. Maybe we could meet up for a trip. And if you're another YouTuber, you know, it's always fun to meet other YouTubers on the trip, on motorcycle or trail or otherwise, and you know, be in each other's video, so to speak. So yeah, oh yeah, and Craig has invited me down there to do some fishing too. He just got a new boat, so there'll probably be some of that going on. And Craig, I know you guys seen Craig in a lot of my motorcycle camping videos with box of chocolates, and Craig is such a generous guy. Another close friend I've met over the years through YouTube, and couldn't be happier with the friendships I've made. So anyway, I'm rambling and I'm just talking nonsense. Hope everybody is safe. I hope everybody's spring is starting to look like spring where you live. You can see the flowers around here. The trees are blooming, some of them anyway. One's coming up here on my left are full of blossoms, and spring is in the air. Y'all be safe. Talk to you soon. What's up, guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment, and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area, or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle road, go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you again on the next video.